Hi everyone, this is Bharti Goyal. I'm a childbirth educator and a prenatal yoga specialist, and today we'll be talking about the second half of the first trimester, that is week 9 to 12. Your baby is growing rapidly at this time and will start moving and stretching around, though you won't feel it till about week 20. All your baby's vital organs and body parts are in place. Your baby's fingers and toes are beginning to form, and she's looking more and more like a tiny human being every single day. By end of week 12, your baby will be about 2 inches long or about the size of a lime. Unfortunately, your nausea might be at its peak during this period as the HCG hormone continues to increase. The good news is it will probably fade off after week 12. Your body is not only growing a new baby, it is also growing a new organ, that is the placenta. By week 12, placenta is going to be developed enough to take over the most critical function of producing hormones that will help your baby to grow and develop. That is why once the placenta takes over, pregnancy symptoms like morning sickness tend to subside. Between week 10 to 12, you may also get your NIPT blood test and NT scan done for checking chromosomal anomalies like Down syndrome. These are important early scans, after which generally the pregnancy goes on much more smoothly. Continue having small frequent meals and getting your rest. Don't feel too guilty if you need to take a short nap in the afternoon. Try to drink at least 8 to 12 glasses of water daily to avoid constipation as well as help with blood circulation. You can flavor your water with some ginger or lemon to avoid feeling nauseated. Avoid having spicy, oily or fried food as it might worsen heartburn. So I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you next week as we talk about what to expect as you cruise into the second trimester.